Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn some of the finishing item in our home, that is plastering, painting, flooring and roof covering. So let's start with plastering. So plastering is nothing but it is a process of covering the rough surface of wall, column, ceiling and other building components with the help of cement, sand and water. Okay. So plaster is nothing but the composition of cement, sand and water in proper proportion. If you see the ratio, it will be 1 part of cement with 5 parts of sand. And if we consider the thickness will be 12 to 15 thick. If the surface is smooth, we can go for 12 thick. If the surface is hard and rough, we can go for 15 thick. And in types, we have two types of plastering. One is internal plaster, another one is external plaster. If we see internal plaster, the plaster which we do inside our house, that is known as internal plaster. So the plaster we will do outside, which is going to face the heat and rain, that is known as external plaster. One of the main thing in external plaster is you have to check whether they have provided the small grooves for the external plaster so that it can avoid the cracks. So if you look into the building outside, you can see the two groove lines for the lintel, that is top and bottom part of the lintel, and you can see the groove lines between the top and bottom part of the slab. So that should be compulsory provided in the external plaster, and this can be also be used in the compound wall. Where we have the pillars in the compound wall, we have to provide the groove for the pillar line and the wall so that it can resist the cracking. So next we will see what is painting. So paint is nothing but the colored liquid that you put into a surface to decorate it or protect it. So this process is known as painting. So paint is applied after the whitewash. If you see the types of paint, we have two paints, that is emulsion paint and oil paint. So emulsion paint is a water-based paint. It can be used for internal as well as external painting and it is costly. Oil paint is nothing but the oil-based paint which can be used only for the internal painting and it is cheap. So if you see the brands in painting, we have Asian Paints, Berger, Dulux, Snowsem, Nippon, etc. Next is flooring. See, the permanent covering of a floor is known as a flooring. If we see, if we do flooring, it is easy for us to clean and maintain the floors. If you see the types, we can have tile, granite, marble, and we can also have vinyl. Vinyl are used for the multi-purpose hall and for the play area and all. And we can also go for hardwood for the flooring. So the final one is roof covering. So we know what is meant by roof. The top covering of a building is known as roof, and what the roof is covered, that is known as roof covering. So it is a part of building envelope, provides protection against rain, snow, sunlight, extreme temperature, and wind. So if you want to classify the types of roof, we can have two types. One is flat roof, which is flat. Another one is pitched roof, which is sloped. So we will see what are the roof covering materials. We have country tile, which is in red color border, and we have AC sheets, that is asbestos cement sheet, and currently we are using the GI sheets, which is galvanized iron sheet. In this, iron is galvanized with zinc, so it can resist the corrosion. So currently we can use many colors GI sheet. So predominantly we use blue color GI sheets for the shed and other purpose, and it will be corrugated. It will be having many folds so that the water can drain out easily. So this country tile AC sheets, GI sheets will be used in pitched roof, which is sloped. And for the flat roof, normally in a home, the topmost portion will be made up of RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete, and the roof covering will be of a red color clay tile, which is weatherproof and waterproof. Okay, so these are the four things, that is plastering, which is made up of cement, sand, and water, covering the rough surface of wall, column, ceiling, and other parts of the building. Ratios 1 is to 5, thickness 12 to 15 mm, internal plaster and external plaster. Make sure when you are doing the external plaster, we have to provide the grooves at the joints. Another one is painting, that is to decorate or protect the surface. Types we have emulsion paint and oil paint. Emulsion can be used for internal, external. Oil can be used only for the internal. And Asian Burger, Dulux, Nosum, Nippon are the brands. Flooring, we have to cover the floor permanently. So we can use tile, granite, marble, vinyl, hardwork. Or roof covering, it is the topmost part of the building and it is covered by country tile, AC sheets, GI sheets, or if it is a flat roof, we can go for the clay tile. That's all for today. Thank you.